OK、着いたよ。セブンイレブンで待ち合わせ。セブンイレブンがわからん。セブンイレブン夜だね。あそこだ。あそこだけど今何時だ。あ、10分。あと10分ね、待ち合わせ。これ並んでる。何に待ってんの？何待ってんの？どうしてんの？何待ってんの？なんだこれ、チキンブレストミックス。なんだ？やってきた。まだ入んないけどね。那个走过去的是排队哦。Tony, what are you bringing here? Oh my God, what are you doing? Yeah, videotaping. Okay, I see like a lot of people walking this little street. This one is very straightforward. You can go down this way. Wow. Yeah. You probably take like 2 walk around and then if you see anything special. Do you choose it? This one? Let me see. Yeah. Ice cream. This stall is pretty famous too for the pork liver. Wow, yeah, pork liver. Yeah. Pork liver. Yeah. Let me do it, guys. This is cool. They just pick whatever they want. Yeah, it's kind of like yakitori, right? No. This is a blood cake, right? Wow, this is pretty cool. So. I don't know. I cannot eat that. I know. And wow, it's thirsty. You can get some. I don't know how many drinks I have today. It's so hot. Woo! I already told you. This is also very famous. This stall is nice. Is there a seat on this place? Where do people eat? What happened? See first? I'm gonna try the... It's okay? I don't know how much you can eat. Actually a long line. You want to wait? Let's go then. Don't worry, we'll see more store later. I thought it's like here. No, this is the line. This is the line? Anybody waiting for this? What is that? Oh, wow. Oh, so this is different one. Okay, different line. Wow. It's good. Wow. Do they do this every day? Every day? 宁夏应该每天都吧
every day.
No close?
But weekend very crowded. Yeah, so
today is
weekend
weekend.
usually better.
I see. And chow?
Yeah, the night market is small. This one is considered small.
Oh yeah?
Not that big.
It's pretty big to me.
But the food is good.
Yeah.
Sakura
festival.
like shooting their gun and stuff. Your brother is still let's go inside so you can actually see something that interests you. Yeah, avocado milk.
Okay,
You're not like lactose intolerant, right?
I am.
You are? Okay.
A lot of
And-
milk?
Yeah, basically it's milk and avocado. So
Hi. No, yeah. No. Only $50.
Hello, one.
That's it here.
You can take one.
Okay, thank you. That's okay. Do you like